This is Tactical Assault VR, and I'm going to be playing one of their missions. So, the mission that we are going to be playing is Trident Lightning. Trident Lightning is a mission where you go into a building, you search for this guy, you kill him, you take the hard drive, and you extract, and that's it. So yeah, enjoy the video.
God damn, it's 201 ping. Crazy.
Oh, yes. Now he has 77 and con.
Yeah.
40 is the lowest right now.
You should use 300 blackout. Everyone. Should.
Heads
Which
up,
one is that?
eyes open. Let's go.
Rattler.
Who's taking the left side and who's taking the right side? I need 3 people at least on the right side.
Bro.
I'll take the downstairs.
I'm going in through window.
Copy that. I'm
I'm
going
just
through
gonna
library
do
if anybody's following.
If you break that front door, like, there's at least 700 enemies behind us.
7.
Yeah,
I have a right.
Someone
Just
shoot
kidding,
the
like
top.
5.
Someone shoot the top windows above.
4.
Someone shoot the windows above the front door.
Copy.
Alright, someone move with window for me.
Yo, you. I'm taking the window up there. Or back.
Clear.
Yo, what? How did you do that?
Downstairs is mine.
Walk up the tree. No, you don't have to climb. You can literally just walk up it. Walk up it.
Yo, how?
Looking for. Go for it. This guy just surrendered. I'm gonna arrest him. Open.
Copy.
Don't make the enemy surrender, but if they surrender, don't kill them. Just
Keep your
arrest them.
hands up.
Clear.
I'm on the rooftop right now, the balcony. Requesting backup.
Alright, let's get to balcony. Alright, we're coming to balcony.
I need a second person to clear downstairs. I need a second person to clear downstairs.
Didn't he just
Suspect
say-
down, suspect down.
Yeah. Someone in there.
Yo.
Request backup downstairs.
I'm coming downstairs.
Bald guy dead. I repeat, bald guy dead.
Bob Guy
I think
dead.
you mean Epstein.
Bald guy dead.
Jeffrey Epstein dead.
I'm not gonna take the USB. Somebody come
I
take
thought
it.
Epstein was sentenced to death. I didn't know he killed himself.
You killed himself?
Nah, he had life. So,
Yeah.
I'm getting shot at.
Did any of you find the computer yet?
Check master bedroom.
There's a guy in there. It's in the bathroom.
yeah, it's in the bathroom near master bedroom.
Over. Okay, don't break doors near the
Some
bathroom
guys-
because the
some
enemies
guys
will be
surrendering.
rushing.
Shot the shit out of you.
Alright, don't shoot him, just arrest him. This way.
Have you just cleared this?
Yeah, I cleared all these.
Target detained. Keep your position tight.
Alright, we ready? I got the chip.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Go.
Alright, we're good. We're live, baby.
Where are you guys?
Master bedroom. Top floor.
Copy. I don't know where that is.
Hey, behind you.
Oh, I know where that is.
Sorry.
I'll hold this with you, bro.
Hey, watch out, move.
20 seconds, computer.
No, keep walking.
10. Can someone revive me? Thanks.
Alright, let's go, boys, let's go.
We copy on your primary objective. Getting a bird to your location for extraction now. Designating LZ with red smoke.
I'm down, I'm on the floor.
Man down. Hey, man down. Hey, Raz, we need stun.
Where, I got one, I
I
got
don't have any.
Right here.
one. Alright, never mind.
I'm clean. I'm holding this wall. Alright, we need a man holding every single
Extractions
entrance
en
possible.
route. Keep those guns up. We have eyes on multiple enemies headed your way.
Is it just me or is the dude saying that sound like Joe Swanson?
That is all you, dog.
That's all me? Are you listen to him? He kinda sounds like Joe
Alright,
Swanson,
still one
okay?
mic out. Hold that LZ.
Maybe.
You not hear that?
The helicopter gun?
It's all you, dog.
Yo, you wanna see my dick pic? Start behind you. You know what? You want something?
30 seconds.
We're good. Watch out.
Right side.